Qingdao Ibokayaer Industry and Trade Company Limited is an enterprise specializing in the design, production, and sales of products packaging. The company is located at China Qingdao, with convenient transportation and possesses modern production facilities and an experienced, highly skilled professional team. We are committed to providing customers with outstanding quality, environmentally friendly, and innovative products packaging solutions to meet the needs of different industries and customers. The company's products include various types of products packaging, such as cartons, paper boxes, paper bags, paper cards, stickers, and plastic packaging, which are widely used in multiple fields such as food, beverages, electronics, medicine, cosmetics, etc. During the production process, adopt advanced production equipment and techniques to ensure that each product meets outstanding quality requirements. At the same time, we focus on environmental protection and sustainable development. Select outstanding quality, environmentally friendly raw materials to reduce the impact on the environment. The company has a professional design team that can provide personalized packaging design solutions based on customer needs and product characteristics, making the products more competitive in the market. We also provide on-stop services from design, proofing to mass production and logistics distribution, providing customers with convenient and efficient service experiences. Quality control is at the core of our operations. Over the years, with outstanding quality products and services, we have won the trust and praise of many customers. In the future, Ibokayaer of the Products Packaging Factory will continue to continuously improve its technical level and service quality, provide customers with better products packaging solutions, and make greater contributions to promoting the development of the industry.